Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another amazing video. And in today's video, yeah buddy, we're about to change the Super Adventure R. It's a kind of dirty bike, so first thing, we're going to clean it. We're going to degrease it. And then we're gonna release the inner child. And put some stickers on it. This morning I walked into the garage. It was a little bit chilly here. That noise is my flamethrower. And the sticker set, they were all a little bit poking up. So yeah, when the glue gets cold, it's not as fun to work with. So heating up with the blowtorch. Look at that. I mean, we got a lot going on today. Thanks again, Moto Design Studio. If you guys are interested, they are making decals for the brand new Super Adventure R 2021-2022. And yeah, you could customize it. So I got the number 103. Actually, 103 comes from 13. But when I was going to do motocross, somebody else had 13. So I made it 103. I just added a 0. Yeah, this is good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is not good. This is not good. Nah, you gotta come back. I mean, but the graphics looks very good. The sticker set is very heavy and very strong. Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to all this stuff, but you know. Anyway, gonna head back outside. Like I said, we're gonna clean it up just a little bit. Because, well, it's an adventure bike, so it should be always a little bit dirty. But dirt is not good if you want to put some stickers on it. Yeah. Smells like jelly beans. Now, how satisfying was that? Anyway, I just found out. I just got this protection kit placed. Yeah. Just gotta get back off. Now, be careful on a Super Adventure R. There are two kinds of stickers. There is this sticker set that is put on, and there is varnish over it. So it's kind of unable to get it off. And you get these ones. You can just peel these ones off. But heat them up first. If you don't heat them up, they crumble and they come off really nasty. Heat them up and they'll get off easy. Here's one sticker I always wondered, why? Why KTM? Why the hell do you guys do this? And I'm talking about this one. It says,
important. Please read the entire owner's manual carefully before putting the vehicle into operation for the first time.
That's like putting a sticker on a microwave saying you can't put your kid in there. So is this something legal that KTM does? I'm not really sure, but it's a really nasty sticker to get off. Found my paper tape. It's time to do the mock-up. Let's get the sticker set out. Let's get busy. Time lapse. So yeah, I'm looking at the mock-up right now and yeah, I like it. Picasso. Now we got two little issues. Number one, this sticker is for the original exhaust, and I got the carbon fiber titanium akrapovic, and yeah, can't use that one. This one also doesn't fit, and I kind of know why. This is the big ass 21-inch wheel in the front for the Super Adventure R, and I'm pretty sure, looking at it, this is a sticker. Get some grass in my mouth. God dang it. For the Super Adventure S. So yeah, already got in contact with Moto Design Studio, and we're gonna solve the problem. This is a top one for the fender, and it's just a big orange plaque. And yeah, I don't like how it looks. That. And of course you will be seeing some blue here and there, which is not really an issue for me. Maybe for you guys at home, but I don't really mind. Anyway, let's get the bike inside. I'm not gonna put the sticker set on in bright sunlight. And I'm just gonna burn myself. I'm partially ginger. My beard is like ginger, so I burn in the sun pretty quickly. Yeah, it's weird, I know. I'm weird. We got some more tape, we got a squeegee. It's time for another time lapse. You guys want to see something cool? Look at this one. Magic.
Oh, magic.
Now, I kind of figured out why this is still blue. This is not the original seat. This is a heated, a little bit lowered seat. So yeah, my guess was that the original seat does come here. So that's why I got a little bit of blue over here. Anyway, big side looks actually pretty goddamn fine. Of course, the stickers below sucks a little bit because, well, they have varnish over it and they still come a little bit through, but I always see this as an extra layer of protection, and if one day I think about selling the bike, just rip it off and, you know, you got a brand new bike. Or a bike without varnish. Like, maybe you just pull off the varnish. I'm not really sure. Anyway, let's show you the end product. And that is that now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Did I do a good job or a shitty job? Do I have to take it all off? Sure as hell I not gonna take it off. Not gonna take it off. I really like it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.